Hey parents, this is Shihan for Prestige Martial Arts. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get your child hooked on self-discipline and personal development. There's a chemical called dopamine that fires in our brains whenever we accomplish goals. When your child achieves a goal, learns to hit a target, break a board, learns a new form, or receives a new belt, they receive a pleasurable hit of dopamine in their brain that tells them that they've done a good job. It's kind of like nature's pat on the back, pushing them forwards to be better and happier. Well, this spurs them on and makes them want to learn more and be better because they associate that pleasurable rush with the accomplishment. At Prestige Martial Arts, we craft everything around this idea, constantly creating opportunities for our students to hit incremental, small goals that makes them want to get better and better, which helps them become happier and happier. It's amazing the impact it has on their lives both in and outside the karate school. They become more confident, happier, more outgoing, and sociable with other children. A perfect example is Alex. He came to us with very low self-confidence after he'd been picked on and teased at school. So naturally, his inclination was to shy away from taking part in things, but by giving him those small incremental goals and starting to make sure he got those little hits of dopamine, within just a few weeks, he was turning up to class with a grin ear to ear and ready to show us what he was made of. Now, if you think your child could benefit from a little more self-confidence and a boost of dopamine happiness, we'd love to show you what we do. I'd like to personally invite you to come into the school and experience Prestige Martial Arts for yourself. There's no obligation, no program to enroll in or anything like that. Just come on in, watch a class, chat with us, meet the instructors, talk to other parents, and ask whatever you like. It would be my pleasure to have you as our guest.